Okay, this is the TONOR model K380T, and it's the wireless microphone. So let's check this one out and see what we can do here and see how it is. So there it is. So that's everything in the box. So here you can see there's the microphone, and open it up here, and it looks like a pretty nice heavy-duty kind of microphone. And it even comes with the little fuzzy thing for the wind protection to put over it. So if I'm doing this outside, hopefully it won't sound quite so bad. Oops, well, I ripped a little piece, but it's good. And then I have the adapter here. So this will plug in to my camera, and then I can turn it off and on, and it's the camera with the, I'm guessing that's probably the antenna on it, and it's rechargeable on the side of it, you can see, and it plugs in with the big headphone jack. I have the adapters for that, so I'm not too worried. Oh, actually, it comes with the adapter for it too. So let's check this out. Is it? Or, oh no, this is the battery for it. That's the battery. I guess it needs the rechargeable battery put inside of it, so if we put that in here. There it is. And then if we turn it on, yep, little lights go on when we turn it on. And so that's the microphone here. And pretty cool. I'm excited to give it a try, and probably will be doing some interviews with this sometime soon.